Going out and looking forward to the game. Obviously it's 90 minutes, it's a cup game, but I think we suit that because we go out in every game and try to win the game.
I think chwarae Denby yn pre-season nath ni ennill dwi'n meddwl lot, ond o'n ni newydd dod o Ewrop a dwi'n meddwl oedd pawb yn fresh and fit o hwnna, nhw'n just dod nôl mewn. So o'n i'n cofio mewn gêm yna, dwi'n siŵr ma'n wedi cael chwaraewr newydd It was a game anodd o'n i'n bod yn proffesiynol a chwarae'n gêm ni.
I think the last time we got beaten in the league we had a cup final the week after. We got beat at Airbus and then we had a cup final the week after. So now it's nice to in the World Cup final enjoy it. It's good, you know. It's different, you know. It's made it good in the last 2 or 3 years with the wild cards, and you know, and Denby Town have done absolutely great.
Dim byd yn newid I bob gêm da ni'n chwarae, da ni just cario ymlaen treinio fel Danny a da ni eisiau ennill bob cwpan a dyna beth da ni'n mynd I wneud gobeithio dydd Sadwrn.
The facts are that, you know, the pitch is perfect for us. You know, we're a passing team, want to play at a high tempo, want to get the ball down and play. And that's not saying Denby aren't, but I think even more so is because, you know, I've watched 3 or 4 games this season in the league below, in the Hughes Alliance, and the pitches aren't as good as what the Welsh Premier League ones, and sometimes the ones in the Welsh Premier League struggle. So, you know, I watched Denby against Connah's Quay. I watched them beat them against Connah's Quay. So, and we played Denby at the start of the season, a pre-season friendly. You know, we know a little bit about them. I know things about them. I've spoke to managers in that league and got information off them. Done my homework and spoke to as many people as I can, because we're certainly not taking it lightly, because we want to win trophies. That's what TNS is about.